Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Before anything existed, no planets, no stars, no space, no time. There was nothing, and then everything. Not a slow beginning, not a gentle start, but an explosion of existence itself. So big, so powerful. It created the entire universe. But here's the strange part. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space. It was the creation of space. Today, you're going to understand what the Big Bang really is, how everything began, and why you're even here at all, in the simplest way possible. Let's begin. The Big Bang is the moment the universe began expanding. Around 13.8 billion years ago, everything, all matter, all energy, was compressed into a single point, infinitely hot, infinitely dense. Then it expanded, not into empty space, but creating space itself. That's the Big Bang, not an explosion, an expansion. In the first tiny fraction of a second, everything changed. The universe expanded faster than light. This is called inflation. Temperature dropped, particles formed, and the building blocks of everything began to exist. Quarks, electrons, energy becoming matter. The universe was still incredibly hot, but now it had structure. After a few minutes, things slowed down enough for simple atoms to form, mostly hydrogen and helium. No stars yet, no galaxies, just a vast, hot, expanding cloud. For hundreds of thousands of years, light couldn't travel freely. The universe was opaque, but then it cooled, and suddenly light could move. The universe became visible. We can still detect this light today. It's called the cosmic microwave background, a snapshot of the universe's earliest moment. Millions of years later, gravity began pulling matter together. Clouds of gas collapsed, and the first stars were born. Inside those stars, new elements formed: carbon, oxygen, iron, the ingredients for planets and life. Stars gathered, forming galaxies. Over time, solar systems formed, including ours, our sun, our planets, and eventually Earth. Here's where it gets incredible. Every atom in your body was created in a star. And those stars came from the Big Bang. That means you are made from the universe itself. You are stardust. Right now, The universe is still expanding. Galaxies are moving apart. Space is stretching. And it's not slowing down. It's speeding up, driven by something we don't fully understand: dark energy. This is where it gets strange. We don't know everything. Time itself began with the Big Bang. So asking what came before might not even make sense. It's like asking, what's north of the North Pole? There may not be an answer, because this is your origin story, not just humanity, not just Earth. Everything from nothing to everything, from a single point to an entire universe, and somehow, out of all that, you exist. So the next time you look at the night sky, remember this: you're not separate from the universe. You are part of it, born from the same beginning, connected to everything across space and time. And it all started with the Big Bang. If this made you think, save this and keep exploring. Because the more you understand the universe, the more you understand your place within it. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.